What's up, everybody? I wanted to show y'all this huge freaking male plant I found right here, right behind me. Let me take a look at this. Look at this thing. A huge male marijuana plant. What? That's the male right here. You gotta kill it real quick. They don't look like these things are opened up yet. You can see them. Whoa. Hey, this is a close-up on the male. Secret one. Gotta kill this. Can't believe this here. Yeah, if you could tell by the pies, they're not open yet. They still closed. So they got pollen in them. They're making more and more pollen. Yep, you can tell over here. Look at this. It's all pollen sacs. Let's see how huge this thing is. Oh yeah, this is it right here. What? There's two of them right here. What? Is it two? No, it ain't. It's just one right here, I think. Yeah. So that's it right there. You can see where the leaf is. Dang. Can't believe how thin it is. Look how thin and tiny it is. That one next to it is a sunflower. Yeah, that was a sunflower. That big one. Let's see how small this is. Let's follow it up. And look, and it was in a shade place. Like I tore down all this stuff that was all these weeds growing up, and somehow it was growing in between all these weeds. Can't believe it. Seed fall on the ground, make this huge plant just from the brain. So in the shade areas, I guess they can get real big, and it looks like since it was in between all the fence and that water tote, it didn't make it fall down or anything. It just helped it stand up. Dang, it looks like that's as tall as it can get right there. Ooh. Dang, look at that thing. You don't never see them like this. This one ain't never been watered. No water. No help from anybody. Can you believe this? A plant got this big and completely already flowering. No water. No help. No needing soil. No needing no nutrients, no food, nothing. Nothing. So if you get the right genetics, just think. And we've been in the sun all the time. We ain't even got rain in a minute. I don't even know if we're gonna get rain anymore. We might get some, maybe. I can't believe this, how big this male is. Dang, this is crazy. Well, we're gonna have to kill this. Bag it up. That's what we got going on. We put a bag over it, trash bag, and then put tape on the bag at the bottom, and then cut it. Because then once you cut it, it's probably gonna open them fucking all the pollen sacs up and everything and start pollinating because it's dead. So if you can.